Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up. Just want to show you my lupins. They're all starting to look well, as you can see. These are, I think these are 9cm pots. Started off in toilet roll tubes, and these were the ones that were started off in paper towels, which did pretty well actually. I had some that rotted, but it's the first time I've used that technique. So these are the survivors, just about half survived. So yeah, all looking really nice and healthy. And the good thing about these is they actually fix nitrogen into the soil through the root system. They get the air and they get the sunlight and they transfer it into nitrogen, which is really amazing. Anything like that fascinates me. Yeah, the way nature works. So you don't need to make fertiliser, these actually make it for you. What we're going to do now, I'm just going to pot them on into bigger pots, these size pots. So bear with me and I'll just show you the root system on these. Right, I've got my pots ready now. Filled it with pea-based compost. It's got 6 weeks worth of feed in it, which is really good for the plant. And because I've got a bit of a heated greenhouse here, I'm going to be repotting these on. I've grown all these from seed. I think these are from Russell. I think these are Russell lupins. Can't quite remember. But yeah, you can see the nice thick stem on there. All you need to do is make a hole in your pot. What you can do with this is pour most of it out here. Get that about the right level. And then, this is probably what's better in bigger pots actually. And just shove it round like so. This is why you need a potting up bench, because it doesn't matter how, if you get compost all over the place. Just reuse it. I always have an area in my greenhouse where I can pot up. Doesn't matter if I make a mess. Yeah, what you need to do with that is tap it down like so. And you should be able to pull it out. And that's it. Perfect shape for your pot. You can see roots just starting to come through there, so perfect time to be potting up. And there we go. Absolutely magic. No faffing about. Spot on. All you need to do with that then is give that a good water, give it a good soak, and then put it to one side. So yeah, this is my lupins that started off in Ziploc bags. If you've got any questions how to grow lupins, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, everybody, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everybody, and I hope everybody has a really, really good Christmas. Thank you for watching, folks. Bye.